Question number 1. 13 boys and 2 girls are to be placed next to each other in the school ground for morning assembly. What is the probability that there are exactly 4 boys between the 2 girls? So, to find probability, we must know the maximum total number of events. As there are 13 plus 2, 15 number of students, number of total events would be 15 factorial. And to find the number of cases in a event, we would say there are 9 boys and a group of 2 girls and 4 boys, because this is what we must have in an event. So we have total of 9 plus 1, 10 different entities. So ways of arranging these entities would be 10 factorial. Let us name this event as PE. So 10 factorial. And coming up to the group that we isolated before, ways of arranging girls would be either, let us make this girl 1 and girl 2, so it could be here, or girl 1 would be shifted here. So there are two ways, 2 factorial into ways of selecting boys from 13 given number. It would be 13 P4 as different, they are distinct individuals, so their places would matter. So we will use permutation. This is PE. So probability would be 10 factorial into 2 factorial into 13 P4. 13 P4 equals 13 factorial into divided by 9 factorial. 13 minus 4, 13 factorial 4, and here 15 factorial. This we will get 10, and now 10 into 2 into 13 factorial divided by 15 factorial. Transposing this here, we will get 20 divided by 15 factorial divided by 13 factorial, which will be equal to 20 by 15 P2. So answer would be, probability would be 20 divided by 15 P2, and here C option would be the correct answer. Thanks.